Hi, dropshippers. Want to create a listing that catches your customers' attention? Then you look no further. Welcome to eProlo Academy, your ultimate dropshipping guide. To catch your customers' eyes, you first have to deeply understand your customers so you can provide what they want. In this video, we'll discuss how to understand your customers and create a listing step by step. Let's start with understanding your customers, which is researching your customer persona. Customer persona is crucial for Amazon sellers because it determines whether potential customers are drawn to click on your listings. Let's break it down with an example related to product images. How we evaluate a product image as good or bad depends largely on how effectively it attracts people. A compelling image focuses on presenting both the selling points of the product and its aesthetics. For instance, an image highlighting a product's unique features, lifestyle appeal, or benefits will resonate more with customers who align with that particular persona. If you focus on eco-conscious consumers, showing sustainable materials in use, or depicting the product in a natural, eco-friendly setting, can significantly boost appeal. On the other hand, if the product targets a tech-savvy audience, showcasing design, advanced features, or practical functionality in action can catch their eye. By understanding your ideal customer's preferences, values, and aesthetic interests, you can craft a more targeted and appealing visual and written presentation that prompts clicks, drives conversions, and ultimately strengthens brand loyalty. Also, make sure your product images are not over-exaggerated, crowded, or have inappropriate content such as discrimination, unequal, and so on. Understanding customer persona not only can help us make compelling product images, but also help to create tailored listings, marketing strategies, and everything to attract your customers. Now that you know customer personas can help you provide products or services that meet your customers' needs, finally increasing your sales. Next, we'll explore several strategies for researching customer personas. First, we start with Amazon Brand Analytics, a tool that provides Amazon sellers or brand owners with data on their product's performance and customer behavior. With Amazon Brand Analytics, you can learn your customers' demographics, buying habits, preferences, and so on. By leveraging this tool, you can create tailored listings, marketing strategies, and product development that meet your customers' expectations. You can also create a customer persona by analyzing customer reviews, but it takes more work to do. You need to collect a large number of reviews under the products you sell. Look for the recurring product keyword or theme to find out the pattern. Then, dive into the data and segment customers according to features or other standards. After, you can start to analyze the customer demographic, but it takes you more time as Amazon reviews do not offer demographics detailed. Or you can create customer persona by analyzing your competitors. List and collect the information you want to know about your competitors. This includes marketing approaches, customer reviews, and social media presence. Look at how they engage with users, their target audience's demographics, and customer reviews. All these can be the insight for creating customer persona. Finally, use the data you've collected to create detailed personas of your competitors' customers. Finally, the questionnaire, a way to gather insight directly from your audience, making sure your data are relevant and effective. However, it's also a time-consuming way as you need to craft questions around your business. Distribute your questionnaire via email, social media, or your websites. Offer incentives, such as discounts or giveaways, to gain more responses. Finally, analyze all the data you've collected and look for the pattern to create customer persona. That's 4 ways to help you research customer persona. It may sound easy, but a completed customer persona requires customer demographics, pain points, consumption characteristics, consumption-driven factors, social concerns, and so on. A small tip is to leverage the power of AI tools, such as ChatGPT. By inputting a large amount of data, it can transport them into specific data and give you helpful advice based on the result. With you possessing customer thinking and the ability to analyze customer persona, you can learn what customers expect and how to meet their needs. Therefore, you can hit on them no matter in product listings, images, or product development. With the customer persona, you can build a tailored listing to attract your target audience. Now, let's explore how to make a complete listing, starting from visual elements. First, the main images. A good main image should showcase selling points as much as possible. For example, if you're selling a coffee machine with one-touch operation, the image can be a person pressing the single-button interface on the machine. This highlights the simplicity and convenience of one-touch operation. Besides, customer preference and product performance also need to be considered when choosing images. After the main image, use supporting images strategically. These secondary visuals should address common questions and showcase the product's key features in various scenarios. Place the most important supporting images up front, as they're likely to grab attention and keep customers engaged. For example, include close-ups to highlight details, lifestyle shots to show the product in use, and infographics to explain unique features or benefits. By carefully organizing your supporting images, you create a more informative and visually appealing listing, building trust with potential buyers and boosting conversion rates. The next is product price. Your product's price plays a huge role in whether customers click on your listing or scroll past it. But it's not just about setting the price low, but about setting it strategically. As you can see, similar products on Amazon are usually within a narrow range, only with a minor difference. This often creates a price trap where your product doesn't stand out in terms of perceived value. Here are some tips for using pricing effectively. First up, avoid overcrowded price range. Think about whether your product has unique selling points, and consider adjusting your price slightly to stand out from the crowded price ranges. You can also experiment with consumer psychological pricing. Prices ending in 99 make products look cheaper than they actually are. People tend to focus on the first digital, so a product that costs $19.99 is usually more attractive than a product that costs $20. The final tip is to leverage Amazon discounts. It provides many types of discounts for sellers. Showing more discount labels right on your listing can make it more attractive. And the large discount you offer, the listing is more attractive. Don't forget to amass reviews as much as possible, as it affects listing ranking and customer confidence. So amassing positive reviews is crucial for a new listing's success. Here are some ways to do that. First, invite smaller content creators who focus on sharing product evaluation videos to test your products. These influencers may not have a large following, but they can still have an impact and are more affordable. You can also write emails or notes to invite your customers to leave their reviews. The most helpful way is to join the Amazon Vine program. It's an invitation-only initiative by Amazon that selects the most insightful reviewer to receive free products from Amazon sellers in exchange for providing honest, unbiased reviews. During this process, if sadly, you receive negative reviews, my advice is to contact the customer and solve issues as soon as possible. After solving the issues, gently ask them to remove negative reviews. Remember, don't force them to do that, as you may violate Amazon policies, leading to penalties. The final visual element is Amazon A+ content. It is a feature that lets sellers create visually engaging listings. This tool helps you showcase products more effectively through images, videos, Q&A, and more. First, let's talk about images. A+ content goes beyond standard photos by featuring larger visuals, clickable images, and image carousels, providing more dynamic ways to showcase your product details and attract customers. Videos are also an important part of A+ content. You can add a single video or a video carousel, similar to how images are displayed. Keep in mind that videos on A+ content should be shorter than usual, as Amazon has found that completion rates start to drop after 10 seconds and drop significantly after 20 seconds. We'll also mention FAQs on A+ content. It's important, especially when the normal FAQs section is being hidden. FAQs within A+ content not only include text, but also images, videos, and other multimedia elements to provide more engaging user experience. It helps build trust and provides a better user experience. However, it's not a one-time event. You should revise and upgrade the section frequently based on pain points that you discover through customer feedback and return reports. After polishing the visual elements of your product listing, it's time to focus on the text, starting with the headline, which is essential for both ranking and click-through rate. A well-crafted headline typically includes the brand, core keywords, primary selling points, secondary keywords, and additional selling points. Each component works to grab customers' attention while helping Amazon's algorithm understand what your product is all about. When structuring the headline, there isn't a strict order to follow. It varies based on your product, competition, and brand strategy. For new listings, emphasize core and long-tail keywords at the beginning to boost visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find your product. For established listings with existing traction, start with high-traffic keywords or the brand name to appeal to both loyal and new customers, leveraging the brand's recognition for broader reach. In brand-affiliated listings, focus on the brand, series, and product name to build trust and recognition, as shoppers are more likely to click on brands they already know. For clearance listings, using long-tail keywords to capture specific traffic can be effective. Try to include as many relevant terms as possible to drive more traffic. Lastly, for exclusive listings, highlight unique features to attract customers who are seeking specific functions or specialized attributes. By aligning your headline with your listing's goals, whether to attract new customers, strengthen brand recognition, or highlight unique features, you can maximize traffic while helping Amazon's algorithm promote your product more effectively. Finally, let's discuss the About This Product section, often referred to as bullet points. This section is crucial because customers rely on it to understand the product's features and benefits. While we've previously covered how to write effective bullet points, here are a few additional tips. First, remember that on mobile devices, bullet points may be collapsed, so place the key selling points, features, or services at the beginning to ensure they are seen at first glance. Be cautious with the use of emojis. While some Amazon sellers use them to make bullet points more engaging, their appropriateness depends on the product. For instance, using emojis for formal items like suits may not be well received. Finally, ensure your grammar is correct. If you're unsure, consider using AI tools for assistance. By following these steps, you can create an Amazon listing that not only improves your ranking, but also attracts more clicks. In the final section, let's focus on the details of the listing to avoid missing any chances that can boost your sales and offer a better customer experience. First, ensure product attributes are consistent across all variations. Key attributes like size, weight, and specifications should be standardized to avoid confusion and listing issues. Each variation must be distinct to prevent overlap and potential policy violations. For example, if you offer multiple sizes, such as 14-inch and 15-inch, each should have clear and unique pricing and options. Consistent variation management maintains a professional storefront. Next, utilize the option to upload product manuals and certifications in PDF format. This helps customers find solutions quickly and reduces the workload on customer service, improving the overall shopping experience. Additionally, Amazon's global reviews feature displays reviews from various countries, offering a broader perspective on the product to your customers. Leveraging this feature can help amass positive reviews, build credibility and trust, boost sales, and ultimately enhance product rankings and reviews. By paying attention to these details, you'll improve your listing and bring a better shopping experience to your customers. To wrap up, remember that understanding your customer persona is key to creating compelling listings. By knowing who your customers are, what they want, and how they shop, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and boost your sales. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to us for more. See you next video.